Have you ever wondered what those numbers marked on pencils actually mean? If not, then this video is for you. Let's get started right after the intro. The numbers marked on pencils are called pencil grades. The pencil grading system is a standardized scale that indicates the hardness or softness of the graphite core in a pencil. The scale ranges from hard pencils to soft pencils, with the middle point represented by HB, or hardness and blackness. In this scale, H stands for hardness and B stands for blackness. So the higher the number of H, the more hardness, producing lighter shades with thinner lines, and the higher the number for B, the more softness, producing darker shades with thicker lines. Depending on the pencil grades, they are mainly of three types: soft grades, hard grades, and specialty pencils. Soft grade pencils range from 9B to 2B. These pencils are softer, darker, and ideal for expressive drawings, shading, and creating bold, dark lines. Moving on to the hard grade pencils from 2H to 9H. These pencils are harder, produce lighter lines, and are excellent for fine details, precision work, and producing lighter lines. The remaining pencil groups are all together called specialty pencils. These are B, HB, F, and H. The standard B pencils are suitable for general drawing and shading with a good balance of darkness. The HB pencils are the middle ground, versatile for various drawing purposes. There is a special type of pencil called F, also known as fine pencils, falling between HB and H, offering a fine point and smooth shading for detailed work. Now it's time for a bonus. Very few people know about EE marked pencils. EE grade pencils are a mixture of 50% graphite and 50% charcoal, giving them a matte finish and a black mark. These pencils are high-quality, break-resistant drawing pencils. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!